Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I have posted content on YouTube, primarily because of my consulting work, which has become very hectic and its associated travel. Therefore, for my time to research and kind of curate meaningful content for you is kind of receding with time. However, thankfully, my work has not come down, but I thought I'll create a series of videos around the practical aspects of digital transformation as more and more companies undergo and create full stack digital programs. So what I'm proposing to do is to set a series of videos around the practical aspects of digital and digital transformation for people who are initiating the digital transformation process. And therefore, this is a series of 4 videos which will cover 4 topics. One is the nature of change. How is digital transformation fundamentally different than classical transformation? And what does it take to cover this insurmountable challenge? The second would be on how should the operating models be tweaked to successfully induce agility in organization. Digital transformation is about fast response time, agility, and creating the mode and revisiting the mode over periods and time. That requires a very, very different operating model than what we are used to. That's the subject of the next video. The third video would be how should mental models of an organization be morphed to lead organization from doing agile to being agile, which is large scale agility. What does it take for an organization to go get there? And the fourth is what are critical leadership challenges and trade offs which will make the digital transformation programs successful over time? Now, these are all small videos, there will be no PowerPoints, and I will just speak about the cardinal principles. These 4 videos, the first video, we're talking about how is digital transformation different than classical transformation. Classical transformation programs are premised on managing changes of micro habits in the organization, which is the small little things that you need to change across the organization to achieve a new normal or successfully meet a challenge of a disruptor or a change in industry structure. And this is often through an organization development process and through putting people through deliberate practice of new habits. Now, once a particular level of performance have been achieved, the classical transformation program sticks, which is it has a shelf life. Now, the shelf life could be a few quarters, a month, or a few months or years, but it does have a shelf life and you can rest before a new transformation program achieves. Typically, a classical transformation program, the ones that I have worked across industry, is a 2-year endeavor. And after that, the new normal kind of settles down for a 3 to 4 year period. And then again, you need to revisit the fundamental principles on where you started again. However, digital transformation is fundamentally different. It is a continuous process wherein the technologies, the rate of change of technologies is at even faster than the speed of light, which means technologies, their applications, data, the quality of data, ingestion of data is happening at light years, at an accelerated pace, thereby to retain competitive advantage on the use cases, be it a customer journey or a back-end operations excellence, you need to continuously innovate and transform the organization at real time, which means that there is no time to rest, and therefore it naturally creates fatigue in leaders and in managers and the entire workforce. The important challenge here is to explain the rationale of change and create organization structures which are flexible and not the classical structures of organizations, which are the functional structure, the divisional structures, or the P&L structures that really work. So the ability of leaders to communicate the purpose, to be able to handle change at a real-time level, and to build organization muscle, motivation, and momentum on a seemingly insurmountable challenge is the differentiator. Simply put, your ability to manage change at a daily level, on a weekly level, on a monthly level, over long periods of time, and keep your workforce motivated is the essence of digital transformation, very different than the classical transformation. The classical transformation problem is a knotty problem, right? Nautic as in KN and OTTY. It's a fairly complex problem and therefore requires a kind of a mindset to be able to manage change over long periods of time. Digital transformation is managing real time change and keeping the momentum alive for long periods of time, which requires stamina and endurance of the manager. In the subsequent videos, we're going to talk about the operating models, the organization structure, the mental models, and the leadership challenges which enable digital transformation. Stay put, and if you like this video, if you like the content, do share and like as you deem fit, and wait for the next 3 episodes on digital transformation and the practical aspects of digital transformation. See you soon. Goodbye, and thank you.